The news in detail. The Union Cabinet today gave its nod to One Nation, One Election proposal, one of the key promises of the BJP. The bill is likely to be tabled in the House during the winter session of the Parliament. Nitish Kumar's JDU and Chirag Paswan's LJP have supported the proposal. The move comes just a day after Home Minister Amit Shah said that One Nation, One Election will be a reality in the third term of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
A large political parties across the political spectrum have actually supported the One Nation, One Election initiative. When they interacted with the high-level committee, they gave their inputs in a succinct manner, with a lot of clarity. Our government believes in creating a consensus on items which affect our democracy, our nation in the long run, and this is a subject, this is a topic which really will strengthen our democracy, will strengthen the center-state relations, will make sure that our country grows at a much faster pace, remove so many impediments which come in the growth of our country,